Ever lost your files because of system crashes? Well, you don't have to worry about it now. MiniTool ShadowMaker is one of the best free backup software for Windows. You can use it to create disk image, Windows backup, and even restore your system to the original state when required. In this video, we will talk about the features of MiniTool ShadowMaker and also how you can use it to create backup of Windows. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe this channel. So let's talk about the features first. The software offers a lot of features for easy backup. First up, you can create bootable rescue media. Second, you can encrypt backup images. Also, there are more features like smart backup management, flexible backup schedule, safe disk clone, automatic file sync, quick system restore, etc. Well, that's some of the features of MiniTool ShadowMaker. Now let's see how you can use this tool to create a backup of your files. So first of all, launch the browser on your PC. And now head over to MiniTool ShadowMaker website. You will find its link in the description. Now here click on this free download button. And this will download the file. Once done, press Windows plus E key on your keyboard. This will open File Explorer. On the left pane, click on Downloads. Now here is the setup file. Double click on it to run it. In the UAC prompt, click on Yes. Now you will see this window. Here click on Install Now. Now this will start installing the software. Now the installation is completed. Here click on Start Now. So now this is the interface of the software. On the left pane, you will see various tabs. So first tab is the Home tab. Here you will see the complete overview of your system, including backup source, last backup, next backup, and available restore images. Next we have Backup tab. From this tab, you can make a backup of your system. Next we have Sync tab. From here, you can sync different files and folders from different locations. Restore tab. From this tab, you can restore your system from the available images. Next, Manage tab. This tab will show all the backups and you can manage them directly from here. Next, Logs. This will show all the logs of the backup with time, result, and error. Next up, Tools tab. This tab shows all the other tools that the app has to offer. For example, Media Builder, Add Boot Menu, Dismount, Clone Disk, PXE, Remote, and System Booster. To create a backup, click on the Backup tab on the left pane. Now, click on Source. After this, you will get the option to backup disk and partitions or folders and files. For this video, I will choose the second option. Now, head over to the location of the file you want to backup. For example, I want to backup a file from D drive. So I will open D drive. Now this is the file I want to backup. So I will check this box next to it. Once done, click on OK. After this, select a destination. This should be an external hard drive or backup solution. Click on Destination. And now select a location. For example, I want to go with J drive. Now this is the folder where I want to save the backup. So I will select it and then click on OK. After this, click on Options. Now here you will see 3 tabs at the top. Right now we are in Backup Options. Now here you will get 2 options, Compression and Password. From the Compression tab, you can set the compression level. For example, you can set medium, none or high. By default, none is selected. But if you want, then you can go with other two options. But this will reduce quality and the size of the file. You can also password protect the backup. For this, click on password. Now here, turn on this toggle next to enable password protection. Here, enter the password and then confirm it. If you want, you can also enable data encryption. For this, click on this drop-down menu and then select this option. Next we have backup scheme. But this is only for the pro users. If you click on schedule settings, then you can schedule the backups. So first, enable this toggle. Now here you will get various options like daily backup, weekly backup, monthly backup or backup on event. Once done, click on OK. And now click on backup now. Now in the confirmation dialog box, click on OK. Now this will start making the backup. This may take some time depending on the size of the files. Once done, you can find the backup in the Manage tab. And that's how you can create backup using MiniTool ShadowMaker. There's also a pro version of MiniTool ShadowMaker. But for most users, free version should be enough. You can easily create a backup of files and restore them. But features like Universal Restore, Clone in WinPE, and Clone System Disk are only available with the Pro version. So that's how you can use MiniTool ShadowMaker to create a backup of your files and folders. You can download this tool from the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.